In this video, we are going to show you how to log out and manage basic settings in Poppy AI. We're going to show you how to log out later, but if you want to manage settings, it's very simple. Look towards your upper right corner. So if you click this is your profile icon. So clicking this will open a pop-up. So here you want to click on settings. Now, as you can see, you can add a phone number. You can connect accounts, pretty much Google. After that, the most important thing here, security is pretty much simple. You're going to see all the connected devices from where and when, how. Team settings, pretty simple. Integrations is the most important. So as you can see here, you can connect Notion, Google Calendar, Gmail, and Slack to make everything more streamlined. You know, a lot of people use Slack and Google Calendar pretty much for scheduling and communication between team members. And yeah, that is how you set up stuff. And then if you want to log out, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner again, and then just click log out over here and you will be good to go. So if you are interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.